Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Sprout Social in 2025. From setting up your account to scheduling your first post, let's dive in. When you first log in, you will see this clean dashboard. Go to Sprout social.com, click on try for free. Then enter your first and last name, email address, create a strong password, then click create account. And enter your verification code from your email inbox. Then code, and copy the code and paste here and click next, and connect your social profile like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Now click connect a different profile, or again connect Facebook page or Instagram, whatever. Here's where you can monitor your social media accounts, check messages, and manage your content calendar. Explain the home, messages, tasks, feeds, and reports tab briefly. Let's connect your account. Go to settings, then profiles, and connect a profile. To create a post, click the green compose. Add your text, images, hashtags, and select whose profiles to post on. You can post immediately or schedule it for later. Mention the optimal send times and queue feature. Sprout's Smart Inbox lets you reply to messages across all platforms in one place. You can also assign messages to team members or mark them as a complete as complete. What to see what's working? Want to see what's working? The reports tab. The reports tab gives you detailed insights on audience growth, engagement, and top performing posts. Sprout is great for teams too. You can assign tasks, approve posts before publishing, and even add notes for your teammates. And that's your quick start to Sprout Social in 2025. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more social media tutorials. So, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.